In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Firefly's AI to a meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite the AI note-taker so it can automatically join your call, capture what's discussed, and make follow-ups easier. First, open your calendar. You can use Google Calendar in your browser or the Outlook calendar on the web or desktop, whichever you normally schedule meetings with. Make sure you're signed in to the account that hosts your meetings and that your time zone is correct, so the assistant shows up at the right moment. Next, create a new meeting or open one you've already scheduled. Give it a clear title and set the date, time, and duration. If you're editing an existing event, just open it so you can make changes. The assistant works the same way for new and existing meetings. Now look for the field where you add people. In Google Calendar, that's Add Guests. In Outlook, it's typically attendees or required. Here, type the official Firefly's AI assistant email address provided by the service. You can find this address in the provider's help center or your account dashboard. Adding this address is what invites the note-taker to attend, just like any other guest. Double-check spelling, and if your organization restricts external guests, ensure that invitations to third-party attendees are allowed. Before you save, confirm that the meeting includes a video conferencing link. This can be Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. In Google Calendar, click the option to add a conferencing link or paste one directly. In Outlook, use the toolbar button for your meeting platform or paste the full invite link. Make sure the link is valid and that the meeting settings allow guests to join, so the assistant isn't blocked by a lobby or waiting room. If your platform sends separate passcodes, keep them attached to the invite so every participant, including the assistant, can get in. When everything looks good, save and send the invite. In Google Calendar, click Save and choose to send updates to guests. In Outlook, select Save or Send so all attendees receive the details. This is what notifies the AI assistant. From here, you're all set. At the scheduled time, Firefly's AI will automatically join using the conferencing link in the calendar event. You'll see it appear alongside your participants, ready to record and transcribe. As a best practice, let attendees know an AI note-taker will be present. If plans change, simply remove the assistant's email from the guest list, save, and send updates so it won't join. That's it. Easy, reliable, and ready for your next meeting.